在台湾追雪不像去日本、韩国那样容易。当听到气象预报有下雪几率，刚好是休假日，有人订到房间时，对杰瑞这上班族来说是生活的一种小确幸。这次的目的地是太平山森林游乐区与思源埡口，分享那在银白色雪景下美丽的见晴怀古步道，以及思源埡口的空拍景色。最后再带大家来体验坐着古早味的蹦蹦车，边欣赏着美丽雪景。
10,000 miles and more, I will give my eyes. If you lost your sight, I will fire. I will carry you through the heat. I will do it all again. If you needed me to, I'll do it. I'll do it again. I'll do it all over again. I will run through fire. I will carry you through heat. I'll do.
拜拜。
We're the last people standing, still dancing when the lights come on. The music is fading, but this is our favorite part. I used to feel like an outcast. I think I'm alright after all, 'cause you make me feel like I belong. You like me from me without all of the glitter, and you make me laugh just like a little kid. And all my insecurities just disappear when you're here with me. I've been a stranger to this feeling, never felt so high. Won't even care if you and I come crashing down tonight. I'll let it hit me. It feels different whenever you're around. If I'm blue again tomorrow, that's alright, 'cause I'm so damn
哦哟，掉下来，掉下来了！然后刚好后面是阳光，在洒雪。拜。
When I'm at my darkest, you're always there to pick me up. I don't think that I'll tell you enough that I love you and how you light me up. I used to feel like an outcast, but with you I know that I belong. Like it's us against the world. You like me from me without all of the glitter,